Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about some major upgrades to the JUTC bus service in Jamaica. Now the JUTC just announced that it's going to be building 7 new depots across Jamaica. These 7 will be outside of the Kingston metropolitan area. So within Kingston you have the Portmore Depot, the Spanish Town Depot, and Portmore, Spanish Town, and Rockfort. Those depots will service the Kingston metropolitan area, which is Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town. So the government announced they're going to be building 7 new depots, one in the Grill, one in Discovery Bay, Albertown, Port Antonio, Maypen, Cristiano, and Santa Cruz. Now, this is good news because JUTC needs to expand its service right across Jamaica. Every major town should be connected via bus service in Jamaica. Now I noticed they didn't say Mandeville, they said Cristiano. I'm not sure why they chose Cristiano over Mandeville. And I noticed they didn't include Ocherios because recently they had an issue where they had to cut the number of buses or the routes going from Kingston to Ocherios because the taxi operators were complaining that the JUTC was taking away their customers. So it's very interesting that Ocherios is not on the list. Alright, so we're going to give you an update on the new changes or the upgrades that the JUTC is doing. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company plans to establish mini depots along the north coast and in several rural towns, representing one of the most ambitious expansions in the organization's history. For decades, the JUTC was seen mainly as a Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region bus operator, focused largely on Kingston, St. Andrew, Portmore, and Spanish Town. However, the company is now moving steadily toward becoming a wider national transportation network. The proposed mini depots in areas such as Negril, Discovery Bay, Port Antonio, Santa Cruz, Maypen, Christiana, and Albertown are expected to play a major role in supporting the JUTC's growing intercity operations. These facilities will allow buses to be stationed closer to rural routes instead of returning constantly to Kingston-based depots. This could improve efficiency, reduce fuel costs, lower travel downtime, and make services more reliable for passengers across the island. The North Coast expansion comes at a time when transportation demand between Jamaica's major towns continues to grow. Tourism development, urban expansion, and increasing economic activity have created stronger links between Kingston and destinations such as Ocherios, Montego Bay, and Negril. Many workers, students, and business operators now travel regularly between parishes, increasing the need for affordable public transportation. The JUTC's expansion into these markets could significantly reshape Jamaica's transportation landscape. Traditionally, long-distance travel has been dominated by coastal buses, route taxis, and premium operators such as Knutsford Express. The JUTC offers a cheaper alternative, which could benefit lower-income passengers who struggle with rising transportation costs. Affordable intercity transportation may also improve access to jobs, education, healthcare, and tourism opportunities. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.